In this video, we review eTrade Brokerage Account. Have you used eTrade Brokerage Account before? What was your experience? Leave your eTrade Brokerage Account review in the comments section below. eTrade is one of the most prominent online brokerage platforms, offering a wide array of features for investors of all levels. As of 2024, two facts stand out. First, eTrade offers access to over 6,000 no-transaction fee mutual funds, making it highly appealing for mutual fund investors. Second, eTrade's robo-advisor service, Core Portfolios, requires a minimum investment of $500 with a relatively high annual advisory fee of 0.3%, which is less competitive compared to similar platforms. eTrade shines in several key areas, starting with its commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. This makes it an attractive choice for beginners and seasoned traders alike. It also provides comprehensive educational resources and 3 different trading platforms: eTrade Web, Power eTrade, and eTrade Pro. This allows traders to customize their experience based on their trading style. Power eTrade, for instance, offers advanced charting and analysis tools, which are particularly appealing for options and futures traders. In addition to standard brokerage accounts, eTrade offers custodial accounts for minors, retirement accounts, such as IRAs, and automated core portfolios, catering to both self-directed and hands-off investors. The core portfolios use automated management technology combined with expert oversight, offering personalized portfolios built with ETFs. The platform's user-friendly tools and extensive investment options make it ideal for long-term and retirement investors. eTrade also supports margin trading, adding flexibility for those looking to leverage their trades. However, eTrade does have its drawbacks. While it excels in offering mutual funds and various trading platforms, it notably lacks access to cryptocurrency trading, only providing exposure through crypto-linked stocks and ETFs. For traders seeking direct access to crypto markets, this can be a significant limitation. Additionally, eTrade's automated investing requires a $500 minimum investment, and its robo-advisory fees are higher than those of some competitors, potentially making it less attractive for cost-conscious investors. Infrequent traders may also find eTrade less appealing due to the relatively high cost of options contracts. For example, options traders pay a 65-cent fee per contract, with discounts only available for high-volume traders. Furthermore, eTrade has faced some criticism regarding trustworthiness. The platform currently holds an F rating from the Better Business Bureau, BBB, primarily due to unresolved customer complaints. Recent legal issues have also cast a shadow over its reputation, such as a pending lawsuit regarding underpaid interest rates in retirement accounts. Despite these cons, eTrade remains a popular platform due to its robust set of tools and resources, making it a great option for investors interested in mutual funds, ETFs, and options. Its extensive educational offerings make it beginner-friendly, while its sophisticated trading platforms cater to more experienced traders. In conclusion, eTrade is a well-rounded brokerage that excels in educational resources, platform variety, and commission-free trading, but it falls short in areas like cryptocurrency access and robo-advisor fees. It's an excellent choice for traders who prioritize access to mutual funds, options, and advanced tools, but potential users should weigh its strengths against its shortcomings, especially in terms of trust and transparency.